Hello friends, I'm Dr. Payal Khakhar, a podiatrist and diabetes educator. I've been working at Temple of Food Vajrayani Hospital since more than 8 years. Today I'm going to tell you about food care in diabetes. We all know diabetes is lifelong disease. As time passes with diabetes, patient develops neuropathy in their feet. Neuropathy means patient loses the sensation of touch and pain, and patient injured themselves unknowingly. Moreover, feet are the neglected part of her body. Patient cares for her face, feet, but doesn't for food. So here there are some important instruction about food care in diabetes. First, we shall go season wise. In winter, due to dry atmosphere, skin becomes very dry. So it should be kept soft and moist by applying cream, Vaseline or oil. Otherwise, there are chances of fissure which will later get infected. And patient should not sit in front of bonfire, and patient should not use too hot water for cleaning feet and legs. In summer, due to hot surfaces, patient should not walk barefooted, especially the religious places like temple, church, gurudwara, etc. Patient should always wear thick cotton socks, otherwise there are chances of blister formation. In monsoon, due to humid atmosphere, the space between two toes becomes wet and there are chances of fungal infection. So, this space should be kept clean and dry. The patient should examine their bottom of feet regularly. If they are not able to do so, they can do it with the help of mirror, or they can ask family member or neighbors for the examination of foot. The patient should always wash his feet with water. If foot is operated and undergoes dressing, the wound should be cleaned before dressing. Patient should not use concentrated Dettol or Savlon for cleaning of wound, otherwise there are chances of eczema and allergy of surrounding skin. Patient should stop tobacco, smoking, otherwise there are possibilities of foot gangrene. The sharp objects like pocket knives, blade are to be avoided for cutting nails, and nail should not be cut too deep, otherwise the corners of nail would hurt and cause pus formation. The patient should not sit with hanging legs for longer period of time, otherwise there are chances of swollen legs. So the patient should keep their legs straight or elevated. Sometimes doctor also advise crepe bandage or compression bandage for the reduction of swelling. Diabetic patient should always wear specially designed footwear inside and outside the house to avoid any kind of injury. Chappals and slippers are to be avoided. The patient should wear only sandals and shoes. Because of neuropathy, patient tries to hold chappals and slippers and gradually foot becomes deformed. So, chappals and slippers are to be avoided. The patient with operated foot should wear footwear to avoid frequent injury. And the patient having already foot wound should avoid exercise like walking. Such patients are advised exercise in sitting position like various type of hand exercise, yoga, pranayam, and they can also do cycling and swimming. The diabetic patient without any kind of issue related to foot and leg, they should consult a doctor at least once a year. And the patient who have been operated, they should consult a doctor every 3 months. I hope you like this video. If you find any point important, please do like, share and subscribe this video. And one more thing, we have published a book on safe food in diabetes in both the language Gujarati and English. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in this number anytime. Thank you. Namaste.